I'm not stepping out. I got a dog here too. Call for backup, bro.
Take my backup up. Alright, step out.
I'm not getting out.
Hello, how are you?
Good, how are you doing?
I'm good, thank you.
What is the purpose for you pulling me over?
The purpose for me pulling you over is because you ran through that red light.
Oh, I did?
You did, yes sir.
It wasn't yellow?
No sir, it was solid red.
No, it was.
Yes. Do you have your license, insurance,
No,
or registration?
actually, we're not going to do that. So,
I'm sorry?
I don't know how to explain this to you, but I don't need to give you any identification.
Okay. Yes you do. I'm requesting for your driver's license. Okay. So we're not doing this. Okay.
No.
I'm requesting for your driver's license.
For what? What crime was committed?
Because I'm conducting a traffic enforcement.
What crime was committed, though?
You broke a traffic enforcement. You ran through a red light.
And welcome to Martin County, Florida, and the Martin County Sheriff's Department. Just a routine traffic stop for running a red light. And now, within seconds, the conversation shifts not to what happened, but why the law supposedly doesn't apply. Because reasons.
That's for CDLs. I don't know.
I'm sorry? Okay, go ahead and step out from me.
I'm not stepping out of the vehicle.
Go ahead and step out from me.
That's not happening. That's not happening.
Sir?
That's not happening. Take your hands off of me.
Step out from me.
I'm not stepping out. I got a dog here too. Call for backup, bro.
Take my backup up. Alright, step out.
I'm not getting out. You're not telling me what I'm doing.
Sir, we're not doing this.
No, you damn straight we're not.
We're not doing this.
Get your hands off of me.
Step out.
Get your hands off of me.
I'm telling you one more time to step the out.
Who do you think
Step
you are?
out.
Don't do that with the dog here.
Okay, then don't do this.
Don't do it.
Don't do this.
Don't do it with the dog.
Step out.
You have the right to be arrested.
I can't believe that. I can't believe you just punched me in the face.
You're 100% right, I did.
See about this.
Good. Good?
Done now.
What did you do?
Went through a solid red light. He's like, I don't know why you stopped me. Explained to him why I stopped him. Asked him for his driver's license. He's like, I don't have to give you my driver's license. That's only for CDL. And then I told him to step out. He's not stepping out. Told him several times. He's still not stepping out. Went to lock his door. He's like, and that's when I grabbed his hands.
Yeah, so and then I reach in. I gotta try and open the door from the inside. He pushes my hands off. So
Probably.
And there's the right to travel myth. Speedrun edition. Pennsylvania versus Mimms. During a lawful traffic stop, officers can order the driver out. And Hendrick versus Maryland. States regulate drivers and vehicles on public roads. Not commerce, not UCC, not I said some magic words. Public roads, public rules. The script doesn't cancel the stop. It just shortens it.
Hi. Well, that's just about it. So, thanks for watching. And we'll see you again real soon.
Hit those emotional support buttons for YouTube. Like, subscribe, share, and comment. It's free, and it helps the algorithm from sending you to some strange videos that you've never asked for. And a massive thank you to every one of our channel members. Seriously, thank you. You keep the channel running on facts and caffeine, and not the frauds. And I thank you all. So the gurus sell a long speech, and reality sells a short ride. Right to travel is real. That's interstate movement. What's not real is the fantasy that you can ignore licensing, registration, lawful orders because you named yourself a private traveler. This is where belief systems meet court records, and only one of them survives. This is Facts or Frauds. Till next time, I'll see you soon.